This clip, we're going to do axle bearing replacement on the peugeot 206. The tester shot it in for the axle bore here. You actually see the movement on the axle there. So it means the bearings on the inside here and bearing outside bearings is worse, so the axle is playing about. So it means they have to have the stub here and the tool arm, and have to remove the bearings here on the cover and the seam on the inside, and have to remove the torsion bar, the brake pipe, the handbrake cable and the shock. So our next operation now is to take off the hub and disconnect the handbrake cable, and we'll disconnect the brake pipe and the shock. That's our next operation. Now I've made the little cap here. I'm going to screw it over there, and just slacken the nut here in the centre. Now we have to put on the hub puller, pull this off, but I might get it without it. It should slide out. Now we have to attach the hub puller. It won't come off with a hammer, so just use the puller. Just pull her slowly. And give it a little tap on the way out. Tighter than usual. Off she comes. Next step now is disconnect the handbrake cable, and maybe take off the whole plate now. Or see whatever the hand one will be, I might take off the whole plate just. Tie it to one side. 4 studs here. Now 3 out here, last one to go here. You need one of these for the hex socket. So that should be loose now. Give it a wee tap. Right, let's let it hang for a moment. Right. Next step now is to undo the dummy screw here. It's only a plastic screw. Alright, and we'll have to spray a bit of oil around the torsion bars there. stud in here. So go a wee while now. We'll remove this stud in here, holds the brake pipe, and one here holds the handbrake cable, and one holds the shock. And we'll have to screw it. Once we remove them three, then we can get our brake assembly hang to one side there. So let's soak a while now, and we'll take them 2 half-inch studs off. Now we've got a 13 socket for the brake pipe bracket. There she comes. Now you want the bottom now. Just get a clip up there. Comes in here. That's the next one to come off. It comes off from the inside. Now them 2 bolts are out now. The handbrake cable bolt and the brake pipe bolt. Just let it hang to one side. Out of the way. You just tie the hub, the whole assembly back. Out of the way just, and you tie the piece of wire just. The next step now is to fit the shock bolt. You want to get this whole section out clean here, this whole section. You want to get the torsion bar bolt in. And there we go to that just. This one here. And once we have that out, we'll screw in our extraction bolt to push this part of the bearing out. So I want to get the shock off now, leave the whole thing stripped as you see there now. And spray plenty of easing oil around here and then in the back. So our next step now is to out the shock bolt. Now the shock bolt will be tight, so get a good long bar of it. That's 21mm. Yeah, just right. Right. We're going to drop a easing oil. Off she comes. Little bolt now and just tap her on through. That's our next step. Now mind the fingers, so this axle will jump down a bit now once you knock that through, so mind the fingers. Now next step now, we have to measure. We have to measure now the height from here to here. So that's our next operation now. You get a point from here to the top of the stub. The reason being, you have to line up the torsion bar at the right nick, so we always measure from here to here. That's something you have to watch. So we get a measuring tape now. So from the top of the stub here, that's 7.5 inches. So 7.5. See, we got that from there, from here to the top of the edge of the chassis. So you must put that exactly at the right height on the way in again. That's the thing you have to watch. Now our next step now will be to remove the bolt here. I'll remove the parts of the bearing here, bolt here. That's our next step now, these two out next. Now, a little Allen key. Explain socket bar. I'll just stick it right there. Now this washer has to come out now. The washer's jammed in here, so you have to knock it up, clean around the screwdriver first, then get it washed out. Get the spray oil, knock it back, knock it forward, get the washer out. Or something you just leave it in and it'll come this, it'll sit there now. Just the whole torsion bar will come away from that now. So we can leave it in. Yeah, you just get it clean around, but you just leave it in. Sometimes you just take them out, put a bit of spray oil behind them, just helps to get the torsion bar out of the holder here, out of the axle arm. So now we'll remove this bolt as well. 13mm socket again. And there's pressure on here, so be careful this one. So we'll have to jack up the axle with a block of wood up this way to take the pressure off the torsion bar. Now we just jacked up the axle by maybe half an inch or so, an inch the jack there, so just take the pressure off the torsion bar here. So another way you can do it, you take it, stud it before you get out the shock. The shock keep the whole axle up for you. So that's another way doing it, so I'll do it this way, with this fire. Now we've got a 13 socket for the big pipe bracket. Out she comes. Now you want the bottom now. Just get a clip up there. Comes in here. That's the next one to come off. It comes off from the inside. Now them two bolts are out now. The handbrake cable bolt and the brake tape bolt. Just that hang on one side. Out of the way. You just tie the hub, the whole assembly back out of the way just, and you tie the piece of wire just. The next step now is to get the shock bolt. You want to get this whole section out clean here, this whole section. Then to get the torsion bar bolt in. And there we go to that just. This one here. And once we have that out, we'll screw in our extraction bolt to push this part of the bearing out. So I want to get the shock off now, leave the whole thing stripped as you see there now. And spray plenty of easing oil around here and then in the back. So our next step now is to out the shock bolt. Now the shock bolt will be tight, so get a good long bar of it. That's 21mm. Yeah, just right. Right. We're going to drop a easing oil. Off she comes. Little bolt now, just tap her on through. That's our next step.